In the application, there are 3 purchase invoices and 3 bank statements, and I would like to check if the amount of 5,599.5 euros appears on any of the documents. I can fulfill this need in 2 different ways. I can use the search engine in the PDF viewer, and here I can either enter the amount directly into the search box or enter the amount into Excel, hover over that amount, and then it will be automatically transferred to this search box. I choose the second option. I entered the amount in the Excel box, hovered over it. Now the value is in the search box. Click the magnifying glass. And after a moment, an additional window appeared showing the occurrences of the searched value, along with the name of the document where each occurrence is found. And by clicking on individual occurrence, I am moved to the place in the document where the value appears. If I wanted to transfer this value to Excel, I just need to press the Add button, and after a moment, the searched amount is in Excel. I can click on it and then I am transferred to the document. The second possibility is to use the buttons on the ribbon, and here I have 2 options. I can either search the current document or search all uploaded documents. If I want to search the current document, I hover over the amount in Excel, click the magnifying glass, and after a moment, the value from the document is transferred to Excel. If I wanted to search all documents, I select the desired amount, click Search in all files, and after a moment, all occurrences of the amount of 5,599.5 euros are transferred to Excel. By clicking on individual items, I am transferred to the appropriate place in the document.